So hey guys, what's up? It's Steph Yap, and today I'm going to the Met for an origami workshop with my friend Jillian. And I thought it would be the perfect day to test out these new products Pink Sugar sent over, since I'll be out and about the whole day, so we can see if it would withstand sweat and time, you know, if it's sweat proof and time proof, I mean long lasting. So yeah, let's try these products out. So since there were no brow products on this kit, I already went ahead and put on my brows. These are from the Face Shop Ink Lasting Brow Ink Pen. And I also put some moisturizer, the vitamin E from the Body Shop. It has SPF, which is a must. And I also already put on primer, the Benefit Professional. So yeah, let's dig into Pink Sugar products. So the first product is our little secret. This is an all-day matte powder and it sells for 349 pesos. It's a compact, it's very reflective, but that's not a mirror. And it also doesn't come with a brush. I was like trying to open this, seeing if there was a brush or the pad thing. So I'm gonna use a brush from Echo Tools. My friend Kea gave this to me all the way from the US, so I don't know if there's anything like that here, but it's actually kind of cute. It's basically travel sized brushes. So let's use this one. It has a pretty sheer coverage, as you can see. So next is this Sweet Cheeks Duo Cheek Color. So let's open them up. Such cute packaging, so sweet. And ta-da! So it's actually a blush and contour. And these are the shades Miss Independent and Morocco. So let's use another brush. This one has a compact mirror, but it still has no brush. So let's use this brush. So I'll start with the blush. Oh, I think I put too much. Oh no. No! I usually lean more into cream liquid blushes, but I like this. Nice texture. Oh, I still think I need to blend it out. I like putting blush on the bridge of my nose because I don't know, I feel like it gives this whole naturally flushed look, or maybe that's just me. I think it's cute. Okay, next I'll do this contour. Gonna use the same brush. I don't know if that's taboo in the makeup guru world, so I'm sorry in advance. Put some on my nose. Oh wait, I think I should use a thinner brush, but wait, I'll just contour my face first. So I should have used the headband really. And here. Do you guys see the difference? I like this contour. Now to get a thinner contour brush for my nose. I'm gonna use this one. Because if I use the other brush, you know, it's just gonna like get bigger. So I like how it's very subtle. It's nice. Let's brush it. So the Sweet Cheeks Duo Cheek Color also comes at 349, which is really not that bad of a price. So now for the fun part, I mean at least for me, it's eyeshadow time. So this is the Eye Candy eyeshadow palette. Here it is. Ta-da! Ta-da! It comes with a mirror, and this time it has a brush applicator, so we're gonna use that. It has two tips. I think this one is for getting the eyeshadow and this one is for maybe blending it, I think. Or is it the other way around? I'm a big fan of peachy nudish shades, so I really like this color selection they have. Like, ooh, very easy to match. So first I'll use this really light pearl shade, and I'm gonna use it as my highlighter. So I'm gonna put it here. Next, I'll use this one, this coral one. I'm gonna use this applicator, and I kind of want it to be like the whole base of my look. So a disclaimer, I'm actually not really good at blending, so I tend to go for mono eyeshadow looks, but we're gonna try today. We're gonna try. Ooh, I actually really like this color. Oh, so cute. Okay, now to put it on the other side. Gonna put some of this pink below. Now I'm gonna go for the darker shade, which is this one. No, I think I'll get... No, I'll go for this one first. Ooh, that's kind of cute. I kind of want to go darker though. So I'm an eyeliner gal through and through, but I'm kind of scared that I might ruin this super pretty eyeshadow with my liner. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this really dark burgundy-ish brown and just sort of line it over my eyes like I would line my eyeliner to give it the same effect. So let's see how that will go. Ooh. Oh no. I don't know why I'm singing. It's a weird habit. We blend. Ooh. Just lining up my eyeliner. So this is my finished eyeshadow look, and I really like it. It's actually pretty cute if I do say so myself. And this retails for $5.99, and honestly that's a pretty good price. I mean, you can even use this as a highlighter. As you can see, I'm glowing. So last but not the least is this Lush Lips liquid lipstick in the shade Girls Night Out, and it looks like this. Ta-da! So this whole set I've been using is actually called the Girls Night Out kit, and I guess this is the namesake of it all. But I won't apply it just yet because, as I've said, I'm going to a workshop and I don't want to bring so much attention to myself by wearing a hot pink lipstick. So I'm gonna just put this in my bag and put it on later for a girls' night out, maybe. This look is done. I'm just gonna seal it with makeup spray. This one's from Maybelline Master Fix. Just spray it. I think I sprayed too much, but you know, better be safe than sorry, especially since I think I sprayed too much, but you know what they say, it's better to be safe than sorry, and I really don't want to lose this eyeshadow I did. I really like it. So there. So if you add all these up, this is $349, this is also $349, this is $299, and this is $599. It adds up to $1,596. But for Lazada's 11/11, it's only gonna be, drum roll please, that was a bad drum roll, but it's only gonna be $749. Oh my god, that's like a bit more than half of the price. So yeah, imagine all this for $749. Isn't it a complete steal? So set those alarms for Lazada 11/11 and go to the link on my bio. Get all of this for $749. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this get ready with me makeup tutorial-ish look, and I'll see you guys in the next Step by Steph Yap. Bye! So hey guys, I'm whispering because we're in the museum, but I'm with Jillian now. And the other one. Yes, the other one. Although technically you're kind of becoming the main since the main Jillian is so MIA. Jillian, this is a notice. Better re-grab your Jillian status. I'm looking for a new Jillian. No, I'm kidding. You're my BFF. 20. So I asked Jillian what she thought of my look. We were both not used to me not having eyeliner. It's my go-to look. So.
I love it though. I mean, look at that.
Really?
Yeah, it looks really good.
I think you're just being nice, but
no, I mean, dare I say, I think I might even like it better than
oh no. No. But honestly, like this. Oh wait, no, not good lighting. So that they, oh yeah, so they can see the makeup. Ta-da! And also all my imperfections.
looks good.
Does it? Okay. Bye. So we're gonna go to the workshop now.
Yeah, there. Wow. Just here.
If we can film it. With my favorite person.
Wow, yeah. But you're my favorite person.
Stop. So hello, me and Julian just finished dinner and we're wearing Girls Night Out by Pink Sugar.
It's a girls' day out technically today.
It's almost, sun is kind of setting now, so it's gonna be a girls' night out.
Sort of, yeah.
We're going to the construct now, and I tried on this lippie because it's after the workshop, so it's lipstick time, and I don't know, I just really like the texture of it. Like, it sort of has like this lip scrub, diba? So I had Julian try it out as well, so...
It smells like candy.
So there, it's Pink Sugar.
Great.
Yeah, like super sakto sa name, you know, Pink Sugar. We really feel the sugarness of it. So yeah, we're both wearing it. Any comments about this cute lipstick?
Well, I think it's pretty easy to apply. I mean, the applicator is pretty good actually.
Diba?
Like for example, me, there's a certain shape to my lips that I have to use it for. So like, oh, it actually got it straight away when I tried applying it.
Yeah.
It smells really good. It
Yeah,
smells really
honestly
good.
it does. So it's a 5 out of 5? 10. Let's make 10.
10 out of 5.
10. What?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 5. It's double the score. It's not
We're
good.
2 people. Yeah. So that's a review. And I think this is gonna be like the last bit of the vlog. So see you guys next time. Bye!